Hello everyone, my name is Bunna. I'm a KT graduate by age, majoring software engineering. Currently, I'm a system engineer in Japan, and for working environment in here, I think it is good since it is not much different if comparing to Cambodian work environment, because in here we have like few senior, so for working, we don't have to expect like we have to use Japanese all the time, so Khmer or English is fine. And for living in here, I think it is more convenient because if comparing to Cambodia, for transportation, we go everywhere with tuk-tuk or motorbike, but in here we mainly use train to go to everywhere since it is like not expensive and train are always on time. So yes, we don't have to be worried like we are going to be late or something. During my university life, I have done 3 years of internship in networking field and also server operation. And during that time, I was also a project lead, which mainly focusing on dividing the tasks to the member, reporting the issue, and also the progress to the management, and also focusing on resolving the issue that were happening as well. And with those kind of tasks, it leads me to be capable of getting this job in Japan. And for living, during that time, like we live as a community, we were from different places. So I can say that it helped me a lot to work in here, since my company also have like multicultural as well, so it is easier to adapt. My message to you, just work hard, play hard, enjoy your life in high school, and also enjoy your life when you come to the university, because you only live with those time only once. And if you want to work in Japan, yes, Japanese is really important.